Larry, Tech Mahindra was also another company that announced its earnings earlier today. Priya, Sheth caught up with the management. Listen into that conversation.
Overall, very, very happy with the performance of our business this quarter. The good news is that the business grew all round. The outliers of this growth, as I shared with you, that we have grown 4% quarter on quarter. If I were to take constant currency, then we grew 5% quarter on quarter. The leaders of this pack in verticals were manufacturing and the travel retail verticals. The leaders in terms of growth in geography, the best part was Europe. I mean, Europe grew almost 9.5%, and even Americas have grown 2.5% quarter on quarter. Overall, a great performance. Areas that we could have done better or the external factors influenced it, on the energy sector, on aerospace and defense, I think our business could have done a lot better. I would say that most of my growth at the moment is really organic, because Target and Pininfarina, which we started counting, I didn't think have a major impact right now on my quarterly earnings. I mean, you would start seeing the impact in the next quarter. The good part is that the Target as a platform continues to be a very, very important part of our growth strategy. Bio has started making impact. It has helped us get new customers. Similarly, Pininfarina, I think the synergy between Pininfarina, which is a listed company in Italy, and Tech Mahindra is actually music for my engineering team, because now they have styling, design and functionality, and they can pretty much give you an end-to-end product. I mean, we have discussions with people like an electric motorcycle, where right from design to end, we can deliver you a product. So,
but in terms of absolute numbers, Mr. Kulkarni, if you run us through, what is the breakup between organic and inorganic growth?
Okay, so the constant currency growth was about 5% quarter on quarter, and equally between the organic and inorganic. So organic was 2.5, inorganic 2.5.
All right, I also wanted to understand, margins have been flat this time around. What is your outlook as far as margins are concerned in the medium run? What are your expectations there?
Our margins have been flat at 14.9%, but if I look at all the other factors, my utilization has gone up to 82%. If I look at overall growth, I mean, it just gives you an indication. We added almost 6,000 employees. My attrition came down. If it was not for one-time restructuring charge in Europe, which is $13 million, we would have actually shown you a growth at 16.1%. So overall, I can say that I'm happy with the trajectory that we have taken on EBITDA.
Yeah, this comes also at a time when the industry is grappling with a lot of challenges. Lots of external factors have also contributed to slowdown in growth among several of your peers. What is your expectation for the remaining part of the year? Do you expect a sort of high single-digit kind of growth for the industry as well?
Industry, I'll let you give those comments when I'm wearing the NASSCOM hat. Tech Mahindra part of it, yes, I think we would be able to grow in a band that you would say is two-digit. At this stage, we have never ever given guidance, so I'm going to not actually give you any further guidance on this subject. Clearly, we are conscious that it is not only the growth in our revenue, but it's a growth in profitability. Our growth in new age business is important, and we are tracking all the metrics. And I think the management is committed, and I think we should be able to deliver H2 also reasonably well.